Hey everybody, so guess what? We bought another house and we are ready to do some projects. So here's the office. So obviously I'm gonna be getting some stuff set up in here. Of course, we got the dining room behind us. That's just gonna be a little empty space for now. And one of the things I'm most excited about, so we actually have a 3-car garage. Now again, it's a little messy. We just started moving everything in last night. Still got some cleanup to do. But this is gonna become pretty much my new workspace. I got a couple of things planned for this area that I'm gonna set up. Being that it's the 3rd car, it's away from the other 2. So I can actually utilize this space pretty well for some stuff I want to set up, even though we have a couple of things in the way. It already has a Rachio sprinkler system, but it looks like there's an error, so we don't have to take a look at that. Already has a tankless hot water heater, so that's great. There are some opportunities with the garage door openers though. I see they just have regular LiftMaster, so I'm considering swapping those out. But we'll see. I may just do like I did last time and just add an automated module to it. So in the living room, it's already pre-wired for surround sound. Big tall ceilings. That's great. Of course, you got all the traditional bedrooms and everything, but there's a bonus room upstairs that's gonna be a little bit of a focal point once we get to the point of setting that up. We're still a little ways away from that. Of course, we're gonna swap out the doorbell, add some cameras, redo the security, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But we have a small home theater that is already pre-wired. So this will be a great little project. We'll be able to just go ahead and add speakers, and it is already set up for 7-to-1. Great. So we're gonna swap out our receiver as well, do some automation in this room. The kids will have a playroom. So we'll have some things set up in here. My daughter wants a racing simulator, so eventually we may do that as a project on the channel. Just a lot of great space to do a lot of great things. This is what I've been waiting on. This is why we moved. This is what I mentioned a while back that it was going to be a long process, but we're finally here. Nice large backyard. I'm gonna do some pretty cool stuff back here too, including maybe even some solar panels. But we're not gonna put them on the house this time. I'm working on something else there. More to come on that. But yeah, so I just want to give you guys a sneak peek of what's to come. A couple of things we want to do, like maybe potentially epoxy the garage door, the garage floors, and set that up as a secondary man cave. But we'll see how that works out. So hopefully you guys are excited. Stay tuned for everything that's about to come out.